Hey guys, welcome to the Delph stack, and this is how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. So, guys, if you ever wondered on how to unrestrict someone after you have restricted them, first you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into the Messenger. So, to do that, go to the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will be the three lines. Now, over here at the top, you should be able to see settings right over here. So now go ahead and tap on it. Now over here on the settings, you just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here privacy and safety. So go ahead and tap on it. And now here, you will just simply scroll down below and you will have here restricted accounts. So here on the restricted accounts, you should be able to see the list of all of the people that you have restricted. So now over here, you can just simply go ahead and tap on it in order for you to see your chat with them. And down below, you cannot see when they're online or when you read their messages because you restricted them. So you have to unrestrict it by just simply tapping on it. And automatically, you should be able to see all of their activities that they have been doing. And you should be able to see again all of your messages. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.